is install day, which is one of the most exciting days. And so what's already happened is that we've already done all the construction work is complete. The mill workers have installed all of the custom built-ins, and the artist has done his custom mural on the wall. So during install day, it's not only just the last tertiary items that need to be installed, but it's like the nuts and bolts which make the space function, and that includes IT or any other vendors that can only really be installed when you're at the very final days. I'm speaking with a local coffee vendor who is doing a custom install station. It's one of the client's favorite vendors, and they wanted to have their coffee specifically. So we're just going over what the specifications are for the actual coffee machine, and if there's anything in terms of plumbing that needs to be noted so that we can have a smooth install. I look calm, but inside I'm probably freaking out a little bit, simply because on this day it's always controlled chaos. The file cabinets were not being delivered when they should have been delivered. Typically, and the way most furniture installs go, is that you have all of your items delivered to one shipper, and then you schedule the install date, and so that everything is fairly smooth and can be installed over 1 or 2 days with everything already accounted for and checked over. But this was a special situation. The desks are there, the plants are there, even the plants are installed, and pretty much we're just now looking at the lounge furniture and styling everything in space. The overall intent for day one's conceptual design is more of a vibe. They always say every day is day one, or to put it more simply, is that if you're kind of thinking as if every day is your first day, then you're going to try your hardest every day. And so kind of evoking that brand throughout the space, using their custom artwork, working very closely with their graphics and marketing team to make sure that that theme is integrated throughout the space was very important. And so even just in the layout and how the desks are set up, you know, how we have a more public area and a more private area, it just kind of fits in with their overall company culture. You know, there's this very cool new term that describes a lot of the offices that are designed nowadays, but it's called resimercial. And so what that means is you have a space that is a commercial space that's used functionally as a commercial space, but it still feels very much residential in that it's comfortable, you can lounge in it, you want to stay in the space for, you know, as long as you need to, and you're not like eager to leave. That look insane.
Kind of pops.
Yeah, so we are here at day one, finally shooting the space, and I'm so excited. I'm here with photographer Aaron and his assistant, and we're just slowly making our way through every area, making sure to document and shoot. So I'm really excited to see the finished product.
Let's figure out which of those desks we need to clean up, and then we can start staging. Maybe we start in that back area and just kind of work our way around. Okay, go.
So here you'll see me being photographed by the photographer. He's asking me to open and close the door several times so he can get a great image. And I often do have to play model to kind of get the usage of the space, or the intent rather, properly shown in an image. And if I can't pull an employee, I'll do it myself. But the idea is that you don't just want to shoot the space as is, you want to shoot it as it's intended to be, so that people understand the vibe and the overall mood that you designed.
Does this feel too like dramatic?
No, I think that's great.
You like that? Okay,
Love
cool.
that. Yeah, I want it to be really dramatic.
All right, good.
What does it look like here?
Like wide. I mean, it gets busy around the edges.
Oh yeah.
And they balance each other out.
Yeah.
Nice.
I like that.
Setting it around the ring.
It's very clean. This is super clean right now. Just FYI, we want to use this one.
One more time. Go.
Months in the making. This shoot is actually pretty crazy because I was chosen as House Beautiful's, well, part of House Beautiful's class of 2019 Next Wave Designers. And as part of that honor, they shot me in one of my favorite spaces. Obviously, I chose Day One. And I have a 2-page spread in print magazine and also some online content for the month of March. So it's wonderful and it's a great honor and it's kind of surreal. Day One Agency has many positive and amazing, remarkable qualities to their company culture, and one of them is that they bring in speakers, and they have this, essentially the speakers series, where they bring in different experts from different design and actually many different industries to come in and talk and educate their employees on different subject matters that are relevant to their company. And so I was honored because they brought me in to talk about the new space, and it was a pretty cool moment where people actually got to ask me questions about why I made the design decisions and how they could better understand what the process was like.
There you go. All right, is this everyone for now? All right. This is our very first event in this new space, so it's only fitting that we're here with the person that designed it. Dani. First of all, thank you. We're all super, super happy. This is such a beautiful space, and it's changed the way that we work, and everyone's really, really, really happy about it. So thank you.
You're welcome. It's amazing to hear.
So can you just start by telling us who you are? Obviously we know who you are, but tell us who you are, give us a little bit of background, and yeah.
Sure. So I am Danielle, Arps, interior designer. I do mostly, or rather what I'm known for at this point is like startup offices in New York City. I've done them also in LA, DC, and London. And so most of the Day 1 Orange you'll see in the space is like, you know, through the artwork.
Yeah. Which is really nice.
Yeah. And also just the fact that I got to work with their design team for most of the selection. So it was just like
Allie.
But yeah, Allie did
Raise your hand.
Maybe Michelle.
Sorry for putting you on the spot. Made the phone wallpaper.
Yeah.
Slide this way slightly. Wait, a little bit more. Right, yeah, right there. Right in the center.
A really interesting architectural detail.